Hi everyone, today I'm back with another card making tutorial and today I have a rainbow card for you all. Since the time I've started using blending brushes, I'm just loving creating blended distressing backgrounds and hence my hand reaches for it more and more these days. To start off with, I'm using CrafTangles Festive Lights stamp set and I'm stamping 6 round bulbs using VersaFine Onyx black ink, and these will depict the colors of rainbow. So what I'm planning is each and every bulb will give out a halo of colors starting from violet to red, creating a rainbow. What I did here was that I have cut thin strips of CrafTangles masking paper and then I'm using it to mask the bulb and the section above the bulb, and then I'll use distressing to create the halos. So for the purple color I'm using wilted violet distressing. For the blue I'm using salty ocean. For green I'm using mauve lawn. For yellow mustard seed. For orange ripe persimmon, and for red it is candied apple. These are my go-to distressing colors whenever I want to create a rainbow. The cardstock I have used here is Classic Smooth White by CrafTangles. However, if you are doing this for the first time, I would suggest to use CrafTangles Dual Textured White, as that is the cardstock primarily being used for ink blending. Hence you would see some splotchiness when I blend the background, which won't come if you use dual textured cardstock. The classic smooth white cardstock is cut to size slightly smaller than A2 card size, that is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inch. Once my ink blending has dried up, I am using the Shooting Star CrafTangles liquid watercolor, which is just a shimmer watercolor, and I am adding some splatters of same on the distressing background. This will give some subtle shine to the background. Then I am using this sentiment strip. So this sentiment strip is actually created using a Casio label maker. So this label maker is a good option if you want to print your own sentiments and use them on your projects. However, yes, it's a bit of an investment. I'll link it down on Amazon from where I bought it. Once I have decided on sentiment, I am using some Sakura Pigma Micron pens and creating the strings for my lights. Over here I have decided to add some splatters of black color as well. So I am using CrafTangles Blackberry watercolor. Now these black splatters will perfectly match the black card base that I am planning to use. So for adding dimensions either to my sentiments or to my card bases, what I use is CrafTangles double-sided tape, as these have strong adhesive. So these are double-sided foam tape, but the adhesive is really strong. The card base that I am using here is actually CrafTangles 250 GSM Midnight Black cardstock, which I have cut and folded in half. And again I am using some CrafTangles double-sided foam tape and sticking my card pattern to the card base. That wraps up my card. As always, I have some images for you at the end of the video, and all the supplies that I have used for making these cards will be linked below. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks.